Hi. So I've decided that this lockdown is the perfect time for me to minimize going outside by using all of the products that I have on hand, either samples or, things that were given to me that I just haven't gotten around to using. I've got a whole nail polish selection going on, so that's covered. And I've got some beauty stuff, so I thought I might go through this and see what we have to look at. In the grand tradition of unboxing videos, let's see what I have in this bag of tricks. So this is a Wander Extra Mileage Hair Refresher. Oh, yes. I'm going to definitely be using that because I plan on, taking advantage of this time to wash my hair as infrequently as possible to just kind of let it do its thing. Oh, gosh, this has to be old, but I am here for it. Orange Essence Facial Cleanser First Days. Let's see. Ooh, this was the last social thing I did actually before this all went sideways out there in the world. This is a brand called Retrouvé, which is made by the folks who are the former family that made Kiehl's. And it's all made locally in Malibu. So this is a nutrient face serum, dynamic nourishing face cream, and Retrouvé revitalizing eye concentrate skin hydrator. Awesome. All right, let's see. Molten brown. Ooh, eucalyptus. That sounds nice. This has got to be a body wash. Yes, body wash. Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. Well, you may have noticed I've got my bangs up these days because I don't know that they're going to get cut in the next while. So they're getting funky. So who knows what I'll do with that. I could use that texturizer for that. All right, SkinCeuticals. Ooh, I definitely like their AGE, their age products. They seem to be really good. I've never had any breakouts or anything with that. What's this? Dermalogica Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF. Okay, great. I'm happy for SPF. Always, we should be wearing it all the day, even when we're inside. I've got sunlight coming in here. They say even in your computer gives you some sun damage. So, okay, what's this? Ren Clean Skincare Daily Tonic. Okay, so this is going to help with sloughing off dead skin cells, I guess. So great for radiance. Awesome. Get dry and itchy. That will help, I'm sure. Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Hydrating Cleanser. Oh, that sounds good. Perfect. Don't really break out with those things. Okay. This is a great local LA brand, Sky Essentials. This is the Bio Cleanse. Okay, super. So you can just use this for all skin types, and it's going to wipe off everything and leave it not overly stripped. What else do we have here? R&Co Waterfall. Oh, this is for hair to put a little sheen on the hair after you wash it, so it's not, my hair gets all bushy and like blown out. This one is another beautiful Retrouvé product. What's this? I think this is a body oil. Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, body oil. Lovely. Ooh, that's going to be nice, especially maybe if I use it after this Ren situation here to add back on some nice oils. Okay, gentle face cleanser. This is an OG, and I never have any problems with it, so I plan to use it. I particularly like using it on the body, actually, because I think it does leave skin nice and moist. I have no idea where I got this. I never use mouthwash, but hey, why not right now when germs are everywhere? So many of those somehow. What are these last bits in here? Oh, this is a La Mer. What is this? A little eye balm. Okay, eye cream. Lovely. And last but not least, I have a Bumble and Bumble Invisible Oil. This is a primer. I don't plan on doing a lot of blow drying on my hair. I don't do that anyway. But I suppose if I do, this would be good. All right, who knows what hair adventures await us all in the next few months. So it's gonna get real up in here. All right, thanks for watching.